man, a blessed love man, and do give thanks and praise to the Most High, Emperor Haile Selassie the First. Yeah? You know, I so strong, you know, I'm here to make it right, never make it wrong. I'm here traveling on to Montego Bay right now to make a little trip and a little Rastafari event that is keeping at Art Street, Montego Bay. You don't know, this is Black History Month, and you know, this is the month that I celebrate a whole heap of things as Rasta to make certain say we can remind the people of who they is and who they are and where we're coming from in time like now, because now is the time for the liberation for I people, knowing that Africa awaits its creators, and as black people in the diaspora we have to know that it's one mission we are on, and the mission is what? To unite I people together and make certain say we organize and centralize that we can get reparation, repatriation within this black redemption. So this is a very serious mission, and His Majesty said, you know, it's not just war that can stop war, but man of goodwill, conscious of their mission, can deal with such deadly enemy. So we know what the mission is all about, and the mission is to overcome with good over evil. Because Babylon cannot win, because the hotter the battle and the sweeter the victory. So the victory is here for I people in this time to know that when African righteous people come together, then the world will come together. So the world will wait for Africans people right here in the diaspora to unite, because Jamaica is a very special place to the world. The eyesight, and why we say that, Jamaica, you have King's House of Jamaica, where from once the King's House they are Jamaica. That simply means to say I and I sons and daughters of the Most High. You see it? We are here in the diaspora, right here in the valley of Jehoshaphat, where we call Jamaica. So we don't know say the King's House of the Father's house. So we're there, and we're there for unite black people and all nations, because it's not just for our own, because out of the black woman come forth all nations. So if everyone could just turn back to them roots, every nation, then everything will be okay, because I don't know, it's just one Jah, one aim, one destiny, all for one and one for all.
So today, on the chat, you know, you're going to, what do you expect to take place?
Well, we are going to deal with the video, what we have to deal with. We're going to shoot a music video, and then not just that, we have the Rastafari community from all over Jamaica gonna be there. So it's just a unity of love, peace, joy and happiness to I people, what I people been waiting for. So anything we have to do with the unity, that's what I so strong is a part of in this time, because without the unity there is nothing. And as Bob Marley said, how long we are going to suffer to know that we must unite. So united we stand, divided we fall. So I don't want to divide and fall in this time. I want to unite and stand, because Africa must be free. And we know say Africa free, but the Africans, women abroad, I must be free. Because Babylon is going about a new world order, and the new world order is a new kind of civilization. So if you don't know what you do, they get caught up with Babylon in this new world order thing, because it's a vaccine them have imposed upon you, you know. If you get the microchip, if you tag you, that's then can have a secret plan to tag man, woman and child. Then look more than go up on the computer, just a tick of a button, and right away you don't even know say it's a chip them a program you buy. So I burn that right now. You know see it? I burn Babylon, and we burn illusion. We burn everything we're wrong. You know see it? Because what? Jah Rastafari live and reign. Haile Selassie the Almighty.